I just saw an update where people are importing B to their wallet. So yes, I saw them importing B to their wallet, and I also got an update that buying and selling of B is now ongoing. So I'm going to be addressing that in this video, and I'll show you how to import on this your wallet. If you notice, there's a B wallet here. So I'm going to show you how to import the B and what I think about the contract address, because there are currently two contract address from B. So which one is legit and is even legit at all? So we'll be talking about that. But before that, you will not be able to send out your B or to receive B if you have not done your KYC. So KYC is very important. For you to do your KYC, just look at the top of your screen, this settings button here. Tap on it. Once you go there, you scroll up and then you see KYC verification. As you can see my own here, it is displaying success. That is because I have completed my KYC. The document I used is my premium NIN slip. Premium NIN slip. That is the plastic ID card. I got it from the NIMC portal. If you've not gotten your own, that is if you're in Nigeria, check check my channel here. I've already made a video on how to get it. And you can also check the above your screen here. I'll pin that video there so you can watch how to get your premium NIN slip. Don't go and do the mistake of using your NIN slip, that is the paper one, because it might not work. I don't advise you to try it. But if you're in any other country, it's okay. Go ahead and use your government approved ID. If you've not gotten the KYC slot, you just have to keep mining and keep checking in. Between this week and next week, they will be rolling out a massive amount of KYC. So make sure to just keep on checking. Once you get a slot, complete it ASAP. Now, as for the withdrawal, what you need to do is you come over to this your wallet. Look at this your wallet section here. You come over into it and open it up. As you can see, this network is currently on ETH. This is the default network. The contract address I saw is two. One on Ethereum network, the other one on Polygon. But I think B is going to be getting listed on Polygon. The reason why I think so is because of this information. Let's head over to, let me show you the information. Head over to this your, I think it should be rewards. Okay, head over to rewards. Look at this rewards here on your screen. Once you tap on rewards, you go to this question mark. Look at this question mark here. Once you tap on that question mark, you're going to get an information. Yes. So on this page, once it loads up, you scroll up. You see this how to withdraw. Look at what they said. Withdrawal will redeem coins in your rewards account into USDT on Polygon chain to your blockchain account. So with this that they said, this Polygon chain, it simply means B might be getting listed most likely on Polygon network. It is not confirmed and official yet, but that is what it is tweeting to most of the times. So let's head back on my screen here and go into my wallet and talk about the B coin itself. Now, for you to do this, the first thing you want to do is to tap on this place. Look at the top of your screen here, this global logo. You tap on it, and first of all, switch it to Polygon. Look at this is Polygon network here. This P. So you switch the network to Polygon. Once it's on Polygon, the next thing you want to do is to tap on this icon here. This icon at the right of your screen. This hamburger menu, three icon. Once you tap on it, you are going to get this option where you either search for token or you import tokens. So tap on this import here. Then I'm going to head into my notes. I have two contract addresses here that I am going to show you. So this is my notes app. This is the contract address I got. This first one is from Polygon. So I'm going to copy it and then I go into my app and install. Now, if you could also do this on OKX. I don't know why my B has restart, but I'll still do the step again. You could also do this on OKX, or you could use your MetaMask wallet, or you could even use Trust Wallet. Any wallet at all, any Web3 wallet at all is going to work for this import. That simply also tells you that this your B, this is also a Web3 wallet. So I don't know why my B network restarted, but I'm going to go over and do the steps once again. Head over to this my import, and then the network is already on Polygon. The next thing you want to do is to put in the contract address that I have copied. Once you put in the contract address, it's going to be verified, and as you can see, B has officially shown. Then I tap on this confirm, and it has now been added to my wallet. You can see this is now B on Polygon network. The same thing if I want to import for Ethereum. So I'll just head over into my Notes app. I don't know why these things keep restarting today, but we'll still do it anyway. So once my Notes app opened up, I click on this, the Ethereum here. So I'm going to copy the contract address. All right, copy the contract address and then head over into my B and do the importation once again. So what I need to do here is to switch my network back to Ethereum. So I'm going to tap on this global button once again. Then I look for Ethereum. Look at Ethereum here. Switch it back to Ethereum. Come over to that hamburger menu once again. Tap on it. Then import tokens. I'm going to tap here and you can see it's on Ethereum. Then I paste in this contract address and you can see B has displayed once again. I confirm. So we now have contract address on B network and Polygon. But here is the thing. These two contract addresses, they are not confirmed and they are not official. The reason why I say so is because I have taken my time, as at the time I'm making this video, before making it, I have taken my time to research whether it is legit. I have gone through their X. You could check them on X. By the way, if you want to be staying in touch for my updates like this, make sure you go and follow me on X. X was formerly Twitter. Start for 20 Tech on X. You're going to see me in this verified blue tick. Follow me there and stay in touch. Now, I have searched on their X and I could not get any details as to whether they have released their contract address or not. And even when I tried to search Google, I saw this contract address, but it is all pointing to that it is not official yet. Then I even took it a step further by now asking AI. I combined Grook and ChatGPT and I checked it and I saw that although the contract addresses are not confirmed to be scam, but it is also not confirmed to come from B network team officially. So, and as such, I am advising you guys, don't interact with that contract address. Don't interact with it because it is maybe until it gets official, then I might be dropping an update on it. But as of now, it is not official. It might just be someone that even just created this contract address from what I'm seeing. The reason I'm making this video is because I saw a video on it online that someone was importing B tokens and I got curious like so I decided to do some research on it and got that information. So that is basically that about that. Make sure you are participating in other high potential airdrop like source of value. Source of value reward people massively this year. People made a lot of money from it. Their season 2 airdrop they'll be distributing next year, January. So if you calculate from now till next year, it's just about 4 months away. Go and start participating now. Check the link in the description box of this video. Sign up and start. And make sure that you also subscribe to this channel. You can join my Telegram channel if you want to stay in touch for updates. Keep following us here and I'll see you in the next video.